Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Talk podcast. My name is John. Today, we are talking about daily life. Daily life English is very important because this is the English we use every day. You do not need difficult words. You do not need heavy grammar. You need simple sentences to talk about your real life. Listen carefully and speak slowly with me. Morning. Every morning I wake up early. I open my eyes and get out of bed. I stretch my body. I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, I wash my face. After that, I drink a glass of water. Then, I get dressed. I wear clean clothes and get ready for the day. Breakfast. After getting ready, I go to the kitchen. I make my breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread. Sometimes I eat fruits. I drink tea or coffee. While eating breakfast, I think about my day. I ask myself, what do I need to do today? Work or study? After breakfast, I start my work or study. If I study, I open my notebook. I read slowly. I write new English words. I speak simple sentences out loud. I am learning English. I practice every day. I want to speak confidently. I speak slowly. I am not afraid of mistakes. Afternoon. In the afternoon, I feel a little tired. That is normal. I take a short break. Then I eat lunch. I eat simple food. After lunch, I drink water and rest for a few minutes. Evening. In the evening, I finish my work. I relax my body and my mind. Sometimes I go for a walk. Sometimes I sit quietly. In the evening, I practice English again. I listen to English. I repeat easy sentences. Night. At night, I eat dinner. After dinner, I clean my place. Then I spend some quiet time. Before sleeping, I think about my day. I ask myself, what did I learn today? Then I go to bed. Important tips for daily life. English. Now listen carefully. This part is important. You do not need perfect English. You need useful English. Tip 1. Talk about your daily routine. Say simple sentences like, I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I relax at night. Tip 2. Repeat the same sentences every day. Repetition builds confidence. Tip 3. Speak even when you are alone. Your mouth needs practice. Tip 4. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Tip 5. Use English in your real life. Real life English is easy to remember. Tip 6. Be patient. Slow progress is still progress. Final message. If you can talk about your daily life, you can speak English confidently. Now it is your turn. Write one simple sentence about your daily life. For example, I study English every day. If you like this episode, subscribe to the English Talk podcast. I will be here every week to help you. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. See you in the next episode.